My name is Doug Johnson, founder of Brewbeard's Beard Oil Company. We want to make men aware of the fact that there's more to growing your beard than just letting it grow. So we have our beard oil. This is our original scent. Coming up this spring, we're coming out with a beard balm. We infuse all of our beard oil with craft beer. Basically, by doing that, you're gaining the B vitamins from the beer, which helps strengthen the hair, helps keep it healthier, shinier. We have our own branded brush and comb sets. They're sandalwood combs and brushes with boar's hair bristles. Come this summer, we're gonna hit up a new scent. So, new beer, new scent, new you. Don't just grow your beard, brew your beard.